Hello, my friends. Welcome to Princess Peony's Fruit and Veggie Math Talks with Mrs. Kelly. Today we shall talk a lot about fruits and vegetables and how we can do math with fruits and vegetables. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Let's have a look. Ooh, how many peppers do you see here? You see a lot of peppers, isn't that true? Do you see any red peppers? Do you see any orange peppers? Do you see any yellow peppers? Do you see any green peppers? Do you see any peppers that are turning slightly yellow? If so, how many do you see? So in this picture, how many red peppers do you see? How many yellow peppers do you see? How many green peppers do you see? How many orange peppers do you see? How many peppers are there in total? Giving you 5 minutes to think and to count. All right, here goes the answers. If you guessed 50 red peppers, 25 yellow peppers, 24 orange peppers, and 18 green peppers, great! And the all total would be 50 plus 25 plus 24 plus 18, which would be 117. Ooh, that is a really big number. Oh my God. I know for you guys, 100 is a really big number, and 117 is even bigger than that number. Holy moly. How many grapefruit do you see? How did you know how many grapefruit were there? So here's a bowl of grapefruit. How many grapefruit do you think are in the bowl? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 grapefruit. Do you think we have 7? Let's see. How did you know there were grapefruit there? I could tell there were 7 grapefruit because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's one under 7. Let's see if we are right. How many grapefruit do you see now? How many whole grapefruit do you think you see? How many segments does one grapefruit section have? Let's see, my friends. So on this board, you can view your grapefruits in 2 manners. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pieces of grapefruit. If I were to try to view them as whole grapefruit, as our second question suggests, then it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because 2 pieces of grapefruit make up one whole grapefruit. Isn't that cool, my friends? And if you're a little older, you can count the segments in a grapefruit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 segments in a grapefruit. Isn't that cool? Look at that cross section, my friends. Doesn't it look like a beautiful, beautiful star? I know you like twinkle stars in the night sky. They're the most beautifulest things on earth. How many avocados do you see? If you listen closely to my grapefruit math talk, you'll understand that when you count avocados, you can count them as individual halves, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 avocados. If you were to count them as wholes, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, that's a tricky one. We have 7.5 avocados here if we consider them as whole avocados. Good to know. How many avocados have seeds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 avocados have seeds. 7 is a lucky number. Which vegetable does not belong? Which vegetable do you think does not belong in the picture? It's our friend, the beautiful red juicy tomato. Why do you think he doesn't belong? He doesn't belong because he's a beautiful shiny red. And most of our vegetables in this picture are vibrant green. Avocados are green, jalapenos are green, and even a fresh lime is green. That's why the humble and beautiful shiny tomato does not belong. Neither does this beautiful speckled rug or piece of decoration not belong either. To further learning from after your math talk session, you can even do a survey on how many avocados have seeds, how many avocados don't have seeds, and which side of the graph represents a bigger number. So let's count together. The avocados that have seeds: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's count the avocados that don't have seeds: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So which side has more? The one without seeds has more. Which side has less? The avocados with seeds have less. Which is the bigger number? Definitely 8 is the bigger number. 7 is the smaller number. This activity helps you learn about large and small numbers and numbers that are in between, and it helps the child understand which numbers are bigger and which numbers are smaller and which numbers come before and after as well. It's a great activity to do to scaffold your math talk with your child. How many spoons do you see? Can you spot the color red? Can you spot the flower-shaped seeds? How many spoons are big? How many spoons are small? Can you spot a yellow powder? How many seeds are there? Look at this picture containing spoons. It has 5 spoons with a lot of different seeds and a lot of different powders. It's basically a melee of different types of spices. We have a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of star anise, and some other kinds of spices. This looks a bit like yellow mustard, and it has so many vibrant colors. So there are a lot of questions that you can ask your children while looking at this picture. So in this picture, I see 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. I can spot the color red because there are red seeds. And there's a shade of orangey red powder too. The flower-shaped seeds or the star anise seeds. That's 1 and 2. There are 2 of them. In this picture, I see 1 spoon is really small, 2 spoons are really medium in size, and 2 spoons are big. There is a lot of yellow powder sprinkled around, and then there are also yellow seeds. If you try to approximate how many types of red seeds there are, it can be a little tricky, but you can try your best. I think there would be about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 41 red seeds. That is a lot of red seeds. A nice extension activity that you could do after talking to your child about the different spoons and spices that they saw in that picture is trying to measure things around your house, including family members, and trying to find out how many spoons tall they are or how many spoons long they are. Another thing that you could do is create patterns with different sizes and shapes of spoons and forks. It's a great way to teach children patterning, especially in this day and age when we're all at home, working from home, and struggling to educate our children at home as well. Another activity that you could do with your kids is encourage them to make shapes with different types of spoons they find in the kitchen area of your home. Spoons, I think, are safer than forks because the worry of them going into eyeballs is limited. Ooh, let's look at this paper. Picture is a very vibrant picture. It has a lot of red vegetables and one maroon vegetable too. How many red peppers do you see? One, two. How many tomatoes do you see? One, two, and three, and four. There are four tomatoes. Which vegetables do not belong? I think this little maroon onion does not belong, and neither do the garlics belong, and neither does this bit of squash not belong, and neither does this potato belong because it's a little browny orange. How many green leaves can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six green leaves. How many pods of garlic do you see? One, two. And if you were a little bit more eager to count, you could even consider approximating how many pods are inside this tight garlic that is all closely huddled together. Ooh, have a look at our last picture. How many blueberries do you see? How many bananas do you see? How many raspberries do you see? Do you see a pattern? So in this, I think there are a lot of blueberries. So you can approximate how many there are. You can take a guess. Perhaps there are about 20 to 30 blueberries. Let's see how many raspberries are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 10 down here make 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 and 16 make 32. 32 and 20 make 52 raspberries. Woo! And I guess it's the same number of bananas, 52 bananas as well. Do you see a pattern? Yes, I do. Red, white, red, white, red, white, red, white. So that would be A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Now what you could do is try to make some more complicated patterns on your own, like an AAB pattern or an ABC pattern or an ABCD pattern. Try to make some more complicated patterns of yours on a piece of paper. You could also take a survey of your family members and find out who loves which fruit better. It helps in learning about tallying, counting, social interaction, recognizing healthy foods, colors, and shapes. Thank you all for watching. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.